Hey there, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick look at a 2023 Aquila 32. Come on board. So now the power plant of this boat, we're going to have twin Mercury 300 horsepowers with joystick docking. Nice long center walkway. And what you're really going to notice as you're taking your first look inside of this boat is going to just be a massive cockpit opening. You have seating for at least 12 people all around the main area of the boat. Very large sure shade up top. We do have a table set right on the port side. And again, full access all the way to the bow, but you can't overlook this massive hardtop held up by these large stainless steel anchors. At the helm here, we have the captain and companion seat sitting here. We do have a single Raymarine screen, joystick docking, your Fusion stereo controls, everything you really need to be able to captain this thing comfortably on the water. So the big thing about the Aquila is going to be your port and starboard room. So on the port side, we do have a berth area, which is air conditioned. Does sleep 2 adults. We're going to stop real quickly at the little galley here. So it's an upper galley. We do have a grill, sink, fridge, and a trash can. And then starboard side, we have a very large wet head, which is 3 large steps down. It is air conditioned and heated in there as well. And then moving forward, we have a very large bow seating area. So we do have a filler piece in here right now. So you have a single on the starboard, and then we do have twin seating on the port side. But with this filler cushion in, you could put 4 people across here. Great access for storage, windlass up front. Come on down, take a look. An available 2023 Aquila 32. Patrick Rourke will help you out.